if you meditate daily, the meditation is the art of living. If you meditate half an hour morning and half an hour evening in the daily meditation, you can be highly successful to spend the life moment to moment. Otherwise, if you awareness of your body, what are you doing, walking, talking, eating, if you aware, that's also the highest meditation in the life. If you don't meditate, then your life, the dog comes and goes, cat comes and goes. You just eat and sleep and nothing else doing, and not a giver, only taker, and you are only holding the money and you can't meditate. If you are meditating, you enjoy the full life in your life. Everything, moment to moment, enjoy in everything. But if you are not a giver, then you should meditate on the heart chakras, that is the center of your heart. You should heart meditate, and then it will be open, then you will be a giver all the time. I have seen so many people miser in the life, and they comes like dog and goes like cat. They come as a useless living in the life. They eat and sleep and nothing. Make the money, holding the money. They are no socialization at their home. They don't like to talk with anyone, because why? Why they don't like? Because they are become serious. I went to one house, their husband was very rich. He does not like to talk with anyone, and wife was always scared. I said, why you are all the time kept mum, and the children are scared from you? He said, if I smile on my wife, she said, give me the jewelry. Then he said, if I talk to my children, he said, hi my guy, how my boy, then he said, Dad, I want this money and money. I want money. If I see to the servant, then he said, increase my pay. So the miserman people, you will say, there's no glow in the face, nothing smiling, nothing happiness. Their faces you will find slightly between black and white, and they are just like a rotten currency. The second-hand currency, you see their faces, you will easily judge is the person. They are one person I have seen in California. They are no socialization, very big builder he is, and makes so much money. He has a Lamborghini cars, Lamborghini big $300,000 and 5 more cars, but he is so miser. So I have seen they never spend the money, never happiness I have seen. Just they are having too much money I have seen, but I did not see their children happiness. This happiness is different. So you should be the giver. When you will be the giver, the 1,000 times comes back. Whatever you do comes around you. Your face will be shining, your face will be grow. Firstly, you should meditate on the heart chakras. Heart chakras, daily half an hour you meditate, or otherwise you should wear the rose quartz beads in your heart chakras, and then this is a mantras, yum, yum, yum. Half an hour you do the yum, 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 and pray to the Lord, I want to fully utilize the money and everything. If you meditate, you don't need. You have automatically your heart chakras will open. If you don't, then you have to pay the price of everything. It is not sure that you give the money to other people. You just talk with a very decently talk. Compassion talks with the others. You can just cross the road. The old persons are going. You have stand by him and to cross the road. Then you will be highly successful. You can talk nicely with the children and everything. This is also a sign of giving. Otherwise, the people I have seen, they are miser, very miser persons, and they don't talk with socialization, don't talk with children, and when almost the life is finished, then they understand what the life is, and then they are near to the graveyard, and nothing get out of these things. So this comes through the experience, and those people are meditating daily, or all the time they are in awareness. They enjoy the life only. Other people, materialistic people, cannot in the life in their happiness. That is the momentary happiness. If you are doing the meditating daily, then you can the permanent perpetual happiness in your life. Do the meditation and self-awareness all the moment to moment. You aware what you are doing, that is also meditation. This is I got the experience, bitter experience in my life. So if you follow the rule, you will be highly successful. Always be a giver, not a taker. But India, they are suffering like this because needs everything, and they can't meditation. They don't have a time to meditate because creativity is finished due to the earning, and it's very difficult to earn too much money. In Canada and United States has an abundance of wealth, opportunities, they make the money, and the government facilities. If you are having accident, the van comes and then take you to the hospital, and then in the later on where they get the good pension, they get all the facilities, our medicines are free, the bus passes, railway passes are free. And I have seen in the United States the people are having abundance and not much spiritual, and they are fully materialistic mostly. But in Canada, in Vancouver and Canada, so many parts, especially in Vancouver, lot of meditations, compassions, and Christianity works too much, serving to the people. They are going to the hospital serving to the people. This is the reason that this is the best country in the world. I have seen the 2-3 countries are best, the living is best. Vienna is number 1 near the Austria, and the second is the Melbourne in Australia. That's very nice. And third is the best city, Vancouver. Canada is the best, British Columbia, and the best living, a lot of opportunities, and then people are meditating. Spirituality is too much due to the vibration of the city. Every city has a vibration, but United States, too much money, there's a very socialization, drinking and everything, but people does not take interest in spirituality. So that's why reason about the too much money also corrupt you, and less money also you can't rise in your life. Those persons who are fighting with the food cannot rise in the life. That is the Indian. It goes to the Indian. But here you don't have to fight much, and then government gives you everything. So I wish that people should be good heart, good meditating, good creativity, good exercise, and then in the morning, if you take a 3-4 glass of lukewarm water, if you go to the Japan, they take the 4 glass of lukewarm water, then your whole day will be good and all your diseases goes by this. And 3 glasses in the evening you can take anytime lukewarm. You will be healthy and wealthy in your life. Thank you very much. I have taken your valuable moments from your life. If you follow this, you have to, art of living will be good. Your daily moment to moment you should be live in a smiling. It is your birthright. God has given you the nature of the smile. Always be happy. Always be live in the present, moment to moment. Don't think about here and now, here and now, here and now. All the time you think here and now. Don't think about the future and past, then you will be highly successful in your life. You understand about the experiences of the life, almost the life is finished, then you understand what the life is. There is a Hindi song, I sing sometimes, धोखा ये तेरा कब तक चलता, ये राज तो आखिर खुल के रहा, अच्छा ही हुआ दिल टूट गया, हम और तो ठोकर खा न सके. Sometimes the life is it is a false conception, false dreams. Sometimes I was remembering to one song. ना तो एक तमाशा था और हम थे उसके तमाशाई, जल रहा था वो दिल हमारा ही, हम जिसे चांदनी समझ बैठे. हमने तूफानों से दोस्ती कर ली, देखकर बेरुखी किनारों की. मैं उन्हें भूल जाऊं ये नामुमकिन, भुला सके तो भुला दे ख्याल यार मुझे. मेरा खुदा मुझे भुला दे तो अलग बात है, मगर मेरा भूलना नामुमकिन है. My last advice to people that try to live for the others, and always remember to the Lord in your heart. And Hindi there is a one शायरी, one शायरी, and then वही थी जिंदगी जो तेरी महफिल में गुजारा है मेरे खुदा, वही थी मौत जो तुझसे बिछड़ के देखी. It is not necessary that you have to give to the money all the time to the others. You can do lot of works for the others. Someone has going to airport, you said, okay, I will take you. So many things in the day you can, whatever you do comes around you. If you do the one thing, 1,000 comes to you. So this is the real nutshell of the life. And rest you can experience yours in your life. God bless you.